Hey, what's up, everyone? Wanted to hop on here and do a quick review of this pack of drink bags with obviously with the fun sayings on them here. This is actually perfect if you're going on a bachelorette or a bachelor party or something where you're gonna have you don't want to have a lot of cups laying around. You want something that's gonna be easy to pack for because again, having all these bags is a lot easier to pack than a sleeve of cups. So this is going to be something. Again, this is not something that you would have for a kids party because of some of the sayings on here. These are obviously all very alcohol related and all related about being tipsy. So do not buy these for any kids function. This is something for an adults party for adult beverages. I'm just going to put that disclaimer in there. But the bags themselves are actually a really thick plastic. If I can grab one here, they've actually got two holes that you can actually hold them up here, and they do have holes for the straws as well. That's what these little smaller these smaller holes are for. Actually, you can actually put the straws in them here, and they do have. You can see up here, they actually can they can seal closed here at the top. So again, they're easy to. And I'll fill one up at the end of the video. I'll kind of show you what it looks like. But they're very thick plastic. They're going to hold. They're going to be watertight, liquid tight. They pack easy. They're very lightweight, and they do come with assorted straws. If you look at the straws here, you'll see that they have that really long flexi section, so they can you can make fun designs with them and do whatever you want. But yeah, these are basic straws. There's nothing really too special about these. You can use any straw that you want, but it's really more about the bags here that's in here. But having the straws, again, it's more of a convenience factor. You only have to buy one thing. You don't have to buy bags and straws. It all comes as part of the same kit. So there are actually 12 different designs here, 12 different sayings. I've kind of separated them here on the video, and let's actually get one filled up. I'll kind of show you what it looks like. All right, now as you can see, I've got one here filled up. I filled it up with water for community guidelines purposes. I don't want this video getting removed, but this you can see that they do stand on their own. Basically, I'm using the small hole. I just basically fed the straw in, and then used the real resealable top of the bag to. So that it lessens my chance of a spill. I mean, it's not completely watertight, as you can see. You still have to put the straw through, so it's not going to be a completely watertight seal. But again, it is less, and then you actually have this little handle where you can pick up your drink bag. Each one holds about 12 ounces of liquid. You just got to make sure that you don't overfill it. I initially filled it up to the top, and then when I tried to close it, all the water came out. So you want to fill it right to about the top of the graphic, and then you get your straw. You can do whatever. So overall, it's a really good party favor, and it is something that, again, if you're looking for an easy disposable option, this is it. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description, and if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.